Hello guys, welcome to Drone Reveal series part 2. So in the first part we make this masking effect, and one thing I forgot to tell you in the first part. So we create this edge mask, and I forgot to invert this mask. So by default it is like this, so I just invert this. So in the starting we have our a masking effect, and after that it will break out, means it will remove the our geometry. So now we will go further our process. So here I'll take this animated geometry, so I'll take this null, and I'll take here object merge and paste it here. So we have our geometry, and here I'll take remesh. So we have this type of triangular type of mesh, and I'll just increase this value to to reduce this subdivision. And here now I'll take a divide node, and in this node I'll just click on this compute dual, so it will turn our triangulated mesh into hexagon pattern. And now I'll take here facet node and click on this unique points. So what it will do, it will detach all the polygons. So if I just take here explode view, so as you can see we have detached this hexagon pattern. So before this facet it will not detached. Oh sorry, if I turn this off, so it will look like this, because our geometry, our pattern is not detached. So this unique points detached are all polygons. So now I'll take a color node here and give it to black color, and here now I'll take attribute transform transfer attribute transfer and connect this with this one. So we can not cd the all point attribute. And now I'll take here point warp, and here I'll I'll take bind node and take ramp, and I'll connect this ramp with cd, and here I'll take multiply node and connect this multiply with cd, and this ramp in the first input, and this bindage will be the first input. Or maybe we have to reverse this connection. Okay, I have to go outside for use this ramp. So before this, I'll choose this as spline ramp, and here I just control middle click. It's not working because okay, I didn't uh, add this age ramp here, age node, age parameter. So that's why it's not working. So here we can just power up here. So we have our mask here, and so here I'll just remap our mask ramp here. So I'll just take here one, and this will be like this one. I just create this one highlight line in our mask. So, and now I'll take attribute promote. So right now our mask is not working properly. It is working on points. So I want our mask will cover only this hexagon. So for this I'll take here, we have this color mask, and it should be the original class will be point and the new class in primitive. So we have our mask on a whole primitive, and now I'll copy this node here and paste it here, and I again invert this from primitive to point. So we have to deal with this mask on the point level. So now I'll take here primitive properties, and here I'll just turn on this do transformation, and I'll add some value in x-axis, and here I'll take point warp, and I'll take here displace along geometry, sorry, displace along normal, and I'll connect this position with position and normal with normal, and connect this displace position with position, and here I'll just add some value, or I have to preview this node. So this will displace our hexagons, maybe 0.25. and I'll duplicate this one and I'll name it this place Hexagon. Here I'll take CD and take here a length node, and here I'll take bit range, and I'll take here power node, this one here, and this CD will be here. So I'll promote this exponent outside this node and increase this value. And I also copy this. I'll name it this color, color 1. And here I'll remove this one and take here ramp parameter, connect this one here, and maybe this will be fine. So here I will change this color. So I give this blue color. So we have this 4 types of our hexagons. One is displaced and one is rotation, and this will be for masking purpose. And now I'll take here a point warp again, and I'll connect these 4 one by one here. So in this point warp, I'll go inside here, and here I'll take import point attribute, and I'll take mix, and here I'll just connect this position here, and mix node I'll choose the second input and connect this one here. I'll just copy this import point attribute and select here the 4th input and choose the attribute CD, which is this one. So I'll choose, sorry. Here I'll take a ramp node, ramp parameter, and I'll choose this spline ramp and connect this ramp in this bias. So if I go outside here and click control middle mouse click here, it should do something. Oh, okay. I didn't connect this here. So I just connect this with the P. So here I'll just add here power node or maybe length node. So maybe we can just remove this for a second. Yeah, we can increase this value. So this is for our rotation. So maybe I'll rename this ramp rotation, and I'll copy these two nodes and paste it here and connect this first input here, and this one will be here, and I'll copy this ramp and name it displacement, and connect this displacement here. So our rotation ramp will be like this. Maybe we can set it more rotation. So we have this kind of effect. We can increase this this displacement little bit more, maybe 3.5. Okay, not from here. We can increase this from here. Why it's not working? Okay, I didn't choose here the third input. Yeah, it's working now. So this is our FX. So here I'll take delete node, or instead of this I'll just copy this delete node and paste it here. So instead of this X, I'll choose here Z, because we have this blue color. And I'll connect a null here. So before going further, I'll copy this displace hexagon node, which is point warp, and paste it here. So before this delete, so what it will do, actually here I'll take merge node and connect this animated geometry here, our main geometry, and connect this one here. So right now our hexagon FX, if I just go further frame, so right now our hexagon FX is exactly on the top of our mesh, or on top of our original mesh. So if I just push it, push a little bit outside, so it will look good. So before the displacement, it will look like this, and after the displace, it will look like this. So maybe we can reduce little bit this value, and after this we can delete the black part. So this is okay. Now I'm going to create a mask for our main geometry, for revealing our main geometry. So here I'll take a time shift first of all, or maybe I'll just take here I'll copy this one here, copy this node and take a object merge, and here paste our animated object path. So this will be here, and I'll convert this into VDB, and again convert this into polygon. Or I'll just take a time shift node and freeze it at 200 frame. And here I'll take a color node and give it to black color. So we have this mask. So I'll take here point triangle and connect this one here and this one here, and I offset just 8 frames here, and here I'll type a expression which is add cd is equal to point 1 comma cd comma add pt num. So it will just offset a little bit, offset this mask a little bit. So if I take a point triangle again and connect this one here and this one here, you can see it will offset our mask. So now I'll take a attribute transfer and connect this one here and this one here. Actually it's not, I'll just freeze this on first frame. So I just delete this and I'll take here solver node and connect second input here, and here I'll take attribute transfer. I'll take this previous frame node and I'll just connect from here. Still it's not working properly because okay, I have to delete this black points. So now maybe it should work fine. Still it's not working. Okay, okay, I have to give this color node and give this to white color. Maybe now it should work. Still not working. Yeah, it's working now. So before now I will transfer this mask with the on the animated geometry. So before this I'll take here a group node. I'll make a group, two groups, for one for the upper body and one for the legs. So I'll click on this arrow and select the upper body part and press enter. And now I'll select the leg part, or maybe instead of this I'll just control I for invert selection and press enter and name it leg, and this one body. And now I'll take transfer attribute, attribute transfer. So right now we don't have enough subdivision, that's why our mask is looking like this. So here I'll take subdivide node and increase this depth, or maybe 3. So now here I'll just connect the null node here, and so yeah, this is the setup for our drone reveal FX. In the next part I'll show you how to render this and comb all the element. So that's it for this part. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.